Going to be shooting 4 different handguns here, from least powerful to most powerful. 3 shots out of the first handgun. First handgun is going to be a 22 short, then 22 long rifle standard velocity, then 22 long rifle high speed. From there we'll go to a 38 special. From there we'll go to a 45 Colt with cowboy loads. They're not souped up, just standard velocity cowboy loads. And then we'll be going up to a 480 Ruger. 22 short. .22 long rifle, standard velocity. 22 long rifle, high speed. There's a 38 special. .45 Colt. And 480 Ruger. The difference is substantial.